Would you like to have a smoother skin, less wrinkle, less acne scars, less discoloration? This video is right for you guys because I have Aqua Pen! Finally! I can't believe I'm filming this video, guys. This is, oh my god. I don't know how to describe, I don't know how to explain how awesome and amazing this tool is. First of all, why I created this tool is because environmental safe product is way more sustainable. It has tiny cartridges which you can use up to 3 times, and imagine dermaroller you have to change every 10 times. How bad it is, how many dermarollers we go through every single year. So this is for the rest of your life. You don't have to change this. It's made of plastic, but you can have this forever. You don't have to change it. You just get the cartridges and that's it. Ta-da! This is Aqua Pen. So you will get this is Aqua Pen tool. You will get 2 rings where I will show you after, and then you're gonna get a charger. It comes with a manual where you can read how to use it, and it comes with 2 cartridges, and it comes with the US charger. But if you are not in US, you just can charge in the laptop and somewhere else. Just adapt by your country, you know what you have. But make sure when you're gonna receive cartridge, you're gonna receive like this. It's sealed in the back and safe. I have on my website 3 sizes: 0.25, 0.5 and 1 millimeter. Today I'm going to be using 0.25. This is a beginner video. Don't go and jump to 1 millimeter if you don't try first with 0.25. So this is what I'm going to do. You can charge over the night before you get Aqua Pen, and then this is how you turn on. You just press 1 time and it's going to vibrate. It has 4 levels. Level number 1, I should show like this. Level number 2, level number 3, level number 4. Number 4 level is going to be the fastest. For the beginners, you always should start with the smallest size. Now, any kind of microneedling tool you start using, even though if you've been using dermaroller, you should start slow. Like, let's say you go to the gym, you start exercising, you do all the time CrossFit, right? And then suddenly you start doing, let's say, heavy weight lifting or dancing or something like this. Even though you're fit, you're not gonna go dance, like do, you know, acrobatic tricks. You have to start slowly, even though it's like exercising and stuff like this. So I just wanna show you how we all beginners should do. But before we start with the Aqua Pen, make sure you guys disinfect your skin. Yes, you should disinfect your skin. I have extremely sensitive skin. I have rosacea. I have dry skin. And yes, I still use alcohol because this is the best way to disinfect your skin. If you're disinfecting your skin any other ways, don't blame me if you're gonna get some infection. It's not on me. I am only recommending isopropyl alcohol. I don't have alcohol, I have some more, but these are very, very comfortable for me to use. So okay, my skin is disinfected, it's kind of drying. So now what I'm doing, I'm taking Aqua Pen and I'm opening. I want to make sure that I'm gonna be using 0.25. This is 0.25. You can see at the back is gonna be 0.25, where you're gonna have a check mark. This is the size you're gonna get. You can order separately this on my website. All the links gonna be down below in the description box. I'm gonna have a discount code and everything. Check out. You can actually put the serum inside, but when you're starting, I don't recommend to do that. Just introduce to your skin. It's easier after that to put a serum inside. This is going to be top where the needles are, and this is going to be the bottom where you open actually. You can put serum inside. Let's start without the serum. Let's introduce to our skin. Let's see how our skin is going to react, and let's go jump. So the part where you open completely, you stick like that in the pen. Then you take one of the rings and you place that ring just like that. And this is so simple. This is such a good tool, guys. This is a revolutionary tool. I just love it. I just really, really love it. And pressing 1 time, the way you should do. You should never do circles, drag, zigzag back and forth. This is what I do. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Don't press too much. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. It might seem and feel that you don't feel much, especially if you've been using like 1mm dermaroller without numbing cream. You do not need numbing cream with the 0.25. So what I do, I just go, do one cheek, and I just walk like that. The best way to use dermapen or aqua pen or stamp is lift. Remember, you have to lift. Is the best way. When you drag like that, it's going to cause you scarring, and you don't want that. The best way, and the needle gonna go the deepest when you do that. If you're gonna be advanced later, I'm gonna do the video, then you're gonna put level number 4, deeper the size. But right now, for example, doing this, I don't feel much. I don't feel really much. I mean, I feel like around my mouth is a little bit more sensitive. I'm getting sweaty right now. On the nose, I feel a little bit, not much. On the nose is very good. It's gonna shrink your pores. And then I just go like this, next to one. You see my face is getting red. So it's going to tighten your skin, guys. Who doesn't want this? Who really doesn't want? People asking me all the time, I have a rosacea, I have hyperpigmentation, I have this and this and this. Can I use it? Like, I don't know where people get the myths from that when you have rosacea you cannot use microneedling. It's going to thicken your, strengthen the elasticity of your skin. It's going to strengthen your skin, tighten your skin. This is what you want. And let's go to the forehead. On the forehead I always feel the most. I'm going kind of around the eyes. Around the eyes I really feel it. Around the eyes really feel it, which is amazing. If you don't feel it, don't think that you're not gonna get results. You have to be really patient. Many of my clients, they say, I don't feel anything. Like, what the heck? I don't feel anything. Like, you don't have to feel to have results. You really don't. So first time, I will say don't do this more often than like, if you're gonna start with 0.25, you know, guys, how often you can use. I will say 2-3 times a week, but start with 1 time a week and see what's gonna happen. Now, if you press too much, it can't stop. So don't do this, and you can focus more on the places where you want this pen to go. Now, for the first time, this is what I will recommend. Go ahead, apply cream, serum, mask, whatever you want after. I'm going to be using Amber Beauty sheet mask, but let's say second time, this will be second time. What I will do second time, I will put a little bit of serum, just, you know, just a little bit, not much. So I have Amber Beauty Vitamin C Serum, which is brightening, tightening. Is really cool. I close the tip upside down, open the bottom, and I'm gonna put serum inside there. Make sure you don't lose this bottom part. And then just let's do 1, 2, 3, just 3 pumps, and I think that's gonna be too much. All right, I close it like that. I close it really well. Make sure you close that part really well. You push it in the pen. You open that, unscrew the top part where are the needles. Take it off, put it, make sure you put it really tight, and then go on the skin. You're gonna have to lift a little bit your head. Press, and serum is gonna come out. This is only one thing what you have to do. You have to rush, because vitamin C booster that I have is liquidy, and it comes out really quickly. And if you're gonna have too thick serum, for example, if you're gonna be using hyaluronic acid serum, it's gonna be thick and it's not gonna come out. So you can mix and match, it's fine, but the hyaluronic serum alone is not gonna come out. So what I like to do, I use a vitamin C booster, or I mix vitamin C booster with any others, any other of my serums. I feel, you know what, with serum I feel a little bit more. So make sure that you go around your eyes. Yes, you can go around the eyes. It's totally normal. And just do the same exact thing. If you have more time, like for example, if you're going to be doing second, third time, you can hold it, or you can do the first time on the parts where you want to address a little bit more love. Kind of my whole head is shaking now. Really, really cool, guys. This is so amazing. Why this is better than dermaroller? Because it goes many times. You understand what I say? Many times into the skin. And why it's better than Aqua Pen? Because it goes again many times. You save time. Don't you want to save time? Every single woman in the world that I know, I think, wants to save time. Okay, let's try to do with the left hand. Not a professional with left hand, but it feels good. Now, another thing what people been asking me lately a lot, can they use vitamin C with the microneedling? And yes and no, you can't use L-ascorbic acid. No way, it's gonna burn crap out of skin and can cause granulomas. I'm using sodium ascorbyl phosphate in my products. That's why my products are designed to be used after microneedling, which is most bioavailable, which means natural and actually absorbs into the skin and doesn't do anything. As you see, I've been using vitamin C booster, which has sodium ascorbyl phosphate, for many years, and my skin is fine. My skin, I never got granulomas or anything like that. So I have done research, so you don't have to do research because I have done that for you. And now let's go on the nose a little bit, and I think serum is almost gone, kind of. Oh, I love on the nose. I know tomorrow my pores is gonna be tiny shrink, and my nose and my skin is gonna be so good. On the forehead now, I feel a little bit more, but that's fine. Make sure that you're not gonna use, you can use level number 2, but on the forehead, because bone is really close and we have very little fat over there. That's why you might gonna feel a little bit more, but try to always lift, guys. This is the most important part using this pen. You have to lift, 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 lift. I got used to it, so I already do really fast. Okay, this is how fast I do. But I know when you're gonna start, you're not gonna do this because I've been using this for a while. You're gonna do, you know, slowly like that. So once you get this pen, you don't have to like disinfect, just have to charge. You don't have to disinfect cartridges because it comes in the bag. But soon I'm gonna show you what to do once you are done. So I'll go a little bit extra on my laughing lines where I have a wrinkles around here. I'm going a little bit more love on my saggy jaws. My skin is getting red, which is totally normal. Don't freak out, that's okay. Let's try level number 2. Level number 2, it's much faster. It's a little bit more intense. You will feel a little bit more. So I really love it. You guys see my skin is getting red, and you say, look, I don't feel it. Like basically I don't feel the size, but my skin feels it. And you can do on the lips, you can do around the lips, you can do nose, you can actually do on the brows. It can lift the brow, you can improve brow growth. On the brows I feel a little bit more. You can use Aqua Pen technically on the same spots everywhere on your body how you use dermaroller. Okay, a little bit extra on my nose because I have a blackheads. And 3, 2, 1, let's finish. So how do I cleanse after? You take this off, you rinse with the water, clean with the like toilet paper or something like that. That's it. Super easy. With this is always clean. You never have to clean, but make sure you don't put in the water that because I don't recommend to do that if you wanna have this lasting forever. So what do you do this? Technically, I'm gonna be honest, technically you should throw away this, but you know what, guys, I want you to save money. I invested a little bit more money in quality of the needles. You open that, you rinse this under the sink, and then keep or like on the towel or something like this dry, and then put in the place and use this up to 3 times. Cartridges on my website are cheap. I think it's like $3. When you more you buy, less you pay. So then you rinse with the alcohol. You pour alcohol inside the same as you will rinse with the Aqua Pen. And that's it, and you let it dry. Make sure next time you use when it was everything dry. That's it. Easy peasy. You need to charge maybe once a month. I don't know how often you're gonna be using, but every like 10 times, every 15 times you're gonna have to charge. Just leave it over the night. Next morning put it back in the case. The case is like, the box is super nice. You're gonna keep this in the box. It's small, it's really nice design. You don't have to, you know, have like a giant box and stuff like this. What do you use after? Any serum that I have on my website, you can use it. It's safe to use after microneedling. But my favorite is a Amber Beauty sheet mask. These make me sleep so well. So I put the mask. It makes me sleep good. I swear to you, these masks make me sleep good when I put on my face before going to bed. Right now it's late, it's 8 p.m. already, and in 1 or 2 hours I'm gonna go to bed. And this is how simply I put the mask on my face. Smells so good. I love it. I love it. So natural. No, you remember, guys, I don't know how long you're following, but my products doesn't have any irritating ingredients, no silicones, no parabens, no fragrance, no perfumes, no anything irritating, drying alcohol, which is, oh my god, I hate it in the other products. Like, I really, really hate it. The other day, one of my clients, she called me, she has a cancer. She says she can't stand anything like irritates her skin. I say, hello, I'm on the same page because I have a lot of health issues I had in the past. But I don't have any more, but I don't really like anything irritating or harsh in the skin. And that's it, guys. That's it. You don't have to do anything. Tool is amazing. $1.99 on my website. I'm gonna leave down below code that you can use to get discount. You don't need to buy this ever again. Just one time purchase, lifetime. And that's it. We do have 1-year warranty, so if something happened, we're gonna replace for free. This one you're gonna have to buy, of course, but this is such a tiny product compared with the dermaroller. Plus, dermaroller has a giant case. This comes in the cardboard case. This, look at this, how much plastic this is. I still like dermarollers. I still use dermarollers. I know you guys like dermarollers, but this is so much better, so much safer for the environment and better for the skin. So that's it, my loves. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions, any questions, leave me down below in the comment section. I'm gonna be answering to all of you. And if you have a serious question regarding to your skin and everything, and you see sometimes I don't answer and I don't respond because sometimes there is a lot of questions, you can actually email my customer service info@jenamber.com, and they will be glad to answer any kind of questions. Even though if you don't buy from us, it's fine. They are instructed to answer to all of you because I just simply love you. Thank you so much for watching. All the information about Aqua Pen is going to be down below in the description box. You don't go please to the sun after. Don't use any harsh ingredients. Don't exercise too much for 24 hours. Don't go to sauna for 24 hours. All the same rules like dermarollers. All the information possible is going to be down below in the description box. Everything the same like with all the microneedling tools. You have to be very careful before what you use and after. No any exfoliating scrubs, exfoliating acids for 2-3 days before and after, of course. I love you guys so much. Please leave me a like. Please subscribe if you haven't. I have another like a 450 amazing skincare videos. I love you so much. God bless you. A lot of hugs to you from my house to your house. I love you. Bye. Any questions? Leave down below. Love you.